Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by framing a clear question before typing anything into a search bar. Use 5 search operators like cite, file type, and quotes to refine results. Begin with specific queries and then add or remove words to narrow results. Scan titles and snippets for dates and source names to evaluate relevance. Evaluate sources by date, author, and domain before trusting information. Open results in new tabs and compare 2 to 3 sources for reliable answers. Treat privacy as a daily habit while using the internet for any task. Enable 2-factor authentication on important accounts for stronger login security. Use a password manager to create unique passwords for each account and change weak ones monthly. Keep browsers updated and block trackers with privacy extensions to reduce profiling. Limit public Wi-Fi use. Use a VPN for sensitive work and financial transactions when necessary. Review account permissions and remove unused. Organize your digital workspace to reduce search friction and wasted time each day. Use folders and tags and bookmarks to organize resources by project and topic. Aggregate reading with RSS or Read Later apps to avoid tab overload and distractions. Apply filters and keyboard shortcuts to navigate tools faster and save time while researching. Automate repetitive tasks with browser extensions or scripts to increase efficiency. Limit social media and notifications to 30 minutes daily for focused work and deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.